Spiritual Wealth with Wealthy Wednesdays. And my sage got away from me, so I big clearing. Here we go, clearing mind, body, heart, and soul. Help us let it all go. Surrender everything that no longer serves you for your greatest higher of good and anchor in to your higher self now. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here to Cheryl Fuller's Spiritual Wealth, we talk about the laws of attraction, taking some positive action, which ends in success and satisfaction, and so much more. Let's get it. All right, guys, today I am actually going to talk about the pendulums, ping pong pendulum, and it's something I've been working on for a long time. I've actually made it a part of my book that I'm writing, so super excited about that. Just kind of came about the weekend, I believe. We'll be doing Cheryl Secrets today. We'll be doing some affirmations and talking about some other stuff. So I'll be right back. All right, so let's start off with Cheryl's Secrets. Gonna move back from, normally I do that at the last thing, or the middle, but we're gonna start off with Cheryl's Secrets today. So that's just what I had a calling to do. Nice. Not reacting is key because it's not about me, it's about them. So don't react to old vibrations not serving anyone. Whoa. Well, that worked perfect with the clearing we just did. And if you're wondering about sage, if you've never heard of it or whatever, it basically clears everything. So there is, I can't remember the name of it. I always say it wrong, so I'm not going to, but I'm working on getting that too, and I will do that on my video, and that clears just the negative energy. So not reacting is key because it's not about me, it's about them. So don't react to old vibrations not serving anyone. I love that. Totally forgot about that one. Another one I'm working on is I am detaching from the outcome from all that I've done. That one came up in the shower. Didn't really want to say that. All right, moving on to our affirmations. Today I was going to make it a Worthy Wednesday. I was going to make Wealthy Wednesday a Worthy Wednesday, but I really wanted to focus on the pendulums, and I felt a calling to do that. But I'm still going to do some affirmations on worthiness and kind of talk about that for a second, and just how important it is to be worthy. I think sometimes we think we know what it means, and then the feeling of being worthy, I think sometimes is hard for all of us to grasp. And like when somebody's trying to do something nice for us, sometimes we're not worthy of that. Okay, I'm back. I had to deal with my loud washer. All right, guys, so let's get on to our worthy affirmations. We will also be doing positive page to get you through your day, our positive page to start your day, whatever time of the day you're watching this video. So we will be doing that as well. So let's do our affirmations, and then we'll go on to the pinball pendulum. Channel through me, being worthy. Channel through me, being worthy. Being worthy is very important. I think a lot of us, if not most of us, the majority of us feel like it's maybe kind of, I think we've kind of been trained, or I don't know how to describe it, but programmed to kind of not be worthy, almost to feel guilty if we're worthy. And so I would like to change that within myself and hopefully inspire others to do the same as well. I'm worthy of a happy, healthy, wealthy life I am. Goes back to love yourself enough not to suffer. Channel through me the vibrations I need to be in order to live abundantly for eternity. Help me allow it to be. I just threw that one in there for today. Channel through me the vibrations I need to be. I love this one. It's one of my favies. Felt a calling to throw that one in there as my third one. And let's go off to positive page. Oh, I gotta take that out from the other day because we are just randomly picking whatever comes. Whatever comes. All right, I guess this is the one. Try not to worry. Worry will distract you from the treasures ahead. Instead, keep love, happiness in your heart. Lift your spirits and stay alert to the gifts around you. Don't waste your time wondering what others may think. You are the only one who has walked in your shoes. You are the most qualified to decide what path you will take. Fill your journey with love and harmony, joy and bliss. Look at the world through the eyes of a child and carry your memories in a heart filled with love and peace. Yeah. Ooh, I love that. Wow, doesn't that go perfect with what my Tuesday Waco Taco? That's crazy. That's Christina Curtis. Ooh, I know a Curtis. So that is awesome. That's positive page to get you through your day. Oh, I'm able to find it. I write on there the date that I did it on my. All right, let's get on to Pinball Pendulum. I know you guys have been just dying to get to it. So Pinball Pendulum. Okay, so let's just visualize, or let's just picture that, like businesses and soda can and like all that stuff. They're all like little energy fields. So like just picture like a little energy field, and our energy that we put into that actually fills it. So like picture all these like businesses and pendulums and everything like all over. Like you can see my little diagram that I put. It was actually in my book. And so just picture like little energy fields of all around. And then what do we do with our energy field? We either think about it, we put it into it, we watch a commercial, whatever the case may be. That's why you'll notice yourself, you'll be drinking soda when you know that it's totally bad for you and that you shouldn't be drinking it. You don't even know why you're drinking it, but you just keep drinking it and you can't stop it. I'm one of them, dude. I was on Dr. Pepper for years as a young girl. My mom did not allow soda in the house. It was when I got into adulthood that I just was loving it. And even though I knew it was bad for me, I just loved it, along with this addiction to sugar that we all have. There's just so many like little pendulum things that go into it. And so it's ended up being, Pinball Pendulums of being chapter 12 in my book that I'm writing. So I'm not going to read because it ended up being a pretty long chapter. But I'm actually just going to read the beginning. So here goes. I'm a bit nervous to really share this with you guys, so that's why it's been taking so long. But pendulums are an energy field that uses all our energies when we pay attention to it. Live and grow and thrive and build on more by us putting energy into things. There's a powerful force can take over our power if we're not aware, which that has happened to us. Now, this is where Wealthy Wednesday comes in. This is why I chose to do it for Wealthy Wednesday, because once you realize that is kind of what's happening, then you can really take your power back and stand in your power and be like, hey, do I want to entertain this pendulum? Do I want to, is this a pendulum that's good for me? A bad pendulum? Is this something that I enjoy? I'll go ahead, and if it's something that I feel like is for my greatest higher good, or maybe it's not, and maybe I'm still enjoying it anyways, but at least now you know that you have the choice and you have the power and you know what's happening when that is happening to you. Sometimes we choose to watch or listen to or guided to, but if we're not allowing in alignment to our guidance system, God, we could become caught entangled to what I call a pinball pendulum, where the ball is just bouncing from one pendulum to another. You can lose your way really easy and not even know how, when, what, or why. It's easy to get tangled and caught up in energies. So just with that being said, let's talk about it for a minute. Also, I believe that we distract ourselves. We distract to compress, because we are just kind of, trucking through. We're trucking through. We're kind of lost in a way. We don't really know why we're here. We're wondering why we're here. We're like, what is this all about? So to lay it lightly, the reason why people are choosing not to wake up, or maybe they are. Hopefully you are. If you're watching this, I'm certain that you are, and that you are even more. And waking up just means that you're opening your horizons. You're expanding your consciousness, as like we all are right now, big time. So basically what this means is you can stand in your power because you know what's happening. You know the energy fields could be possibly tricking you because of all the subliminal messages, all of the commercials. Everything is kind of like a little trick. So to kind of lay it lightly, picture the game of life, and one of the ways is leveling up is becoming acknowledgent to that. And that to me is the most lightly that you can do it, because a lot of us, a lot of people that I know, we woke up and it was really hard, harsh, hardcore, harsh. And I believe that in order for it to be a little bit lighter for other people, hopefully, I would love to spread it to be a little bit, a lot easier on you, is because when you come to that acknowledgement, it's really, really difficult to kind of go through the emotions of that, because you feel, you feel a lot of emotions. But just pretend life is a game, and the part of acknowledging stuff is the part of expanding and growing into the highest version of you and leveling up in the game of life. So Pinball and Pendulum is a really long chapter. It was just kind of flowed out of me. So you will have to read the rest when I get my book published. And so, all right, guys, I think that's it for today. Stay positive, stay powerful, and stay true to you. Have an awesome blossom day. Peace out. Show full of spiritual wealth.